Alright guys, so in this particular video I'm going to share with you how you could get paid up to 2000 naira, 3000 naira or more on a daily basis just by performing simple tasks on this particular website. And this is actually real and legit, and it requires zero investment to start. In fact, you get paid to earn naira online, and you'll be paid directly to your bank account. So as you can see right here on this particular platform, all you need to do is complete simple tasks online, visit websites, participate in surveys, social interaction and more, and then you get to earn naira online for free. Yeah, literally for free. So as you can see, all you need to do to come to this page is click on the description of this video. If you don't know how to go out to the description, just click the title of this video and you will see the first link in the description of the video. That's the link to get to this particular platform. So all you need to do right now is click on sign up, and once you click on sign up, enter your email address. As you can see right here, your email address, your username, enter a password, confirm the password, and then ensure you tick these two boxes. One, which is the agree, that is, you agree that multiple accounts will lead to all accounts termination. Don't create multiple accounts. If you have an account already, just go ahead and log in. So, and two, I confirm I don't have an account already since you are just signing up. And one thing, guys, throughout your interaction with this platform, you'll be coming across ad like this. For instance, this is an advertisement, so don't be annoyed. That is part of the way they make money on this website, and that's why they are able to pay you, and you also get to make money as well. So all you need to do is go ahead, use the first link in the description of this video, sign up, and let me show you how to earn this money on this particular platform. So I already have an account. I'll just go ahead and log into my account. So as you can see, immediately you sign up and create your account, you'll be asked to activate your account. As you can see right here, activate your account. That is, check your email, activate your account, and that's it. Ensure you activate your account. Go to your email, you'll see, find a link there, and then click on it, and your account will automatically be activated. Yeah, so once you activate your account, I just switched my screen to the white. I switched from dark mode, which is right here, so you can also do the same thing. So if you are comfortable with that, so as you can see right here on this platform, I have zero naira, zero energy, zero referral, zero advertising balance, and zero SP. So what you want to do first is you want to come here and claim your daily profits. Just click on this claim right here, and you'll be given some bonus, welcome bonus. That was a mistake. Last claim 6 seconds ago. I've been able to claim, as you can see right here, I have already been able to claim 5 EXP. Don't worry, I'll show you how to go about making money with this ESP. But firstly, let's go to the let me show you how to make money on this platform. As you can see right here, we have the offer wars, we have PTC, we have tax, we have daily tax, auto faucets, manual faucets, wheel of fortune, coupon, referral, short links, membership. Like, one interesting part about this platform is that they have a whole lot of options like all these global websites, and then advantage is that you can get paid directly in naira straight to your bank account. So first thing you want to do is come to this tax section right here, and this is where you'll be able to perform tax. As you can see, you have to ignore all advertisements showing on. As you can see this right here, they are showing advertisement on this platform, so ignore that. And so as you can see right now, they are telling you that fake proof, like okay, done, completed, will lead to account suspension. If you are going to perform a tax here, please and please don't try to bypass it. Ensure you perform that tax. If you not perform tax, don't say you have completed the tax. So look at this tax right now. Share the good news about gpt0.ng on your social, which is this platform. You can use your referral link too. So as you can see, you get paid 20 naira if you complete this tax, and or 100 energy. This energy is something you can convert to money as well. So just click on view tax. Let's say I want to perform this tax. I'll click on view tax, and the requirement is there. Share the good news about it, screenshot or link to your profile. You can just post maybe on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, or any other thing. Screenshot the proof showing that you actually talked about their platform, and then, or maybe a link. Let's say you posted on Twitter, you can share a link to your Twitter or your tweet, and then put the text proof here, what you actually posted, and as well upload image, that is the proof showing that you actually did this. And immediately you are done, just click on submit. So that's exactly how to perform tax. But one last thing is that if you are performing tax, there are several tax on this platform, but don't take the instruction of one tax as, don't think it will be the same for every tax. Let me check. Once a tax could be different, please always ensure you read the instruction for every tax and before you go ahead to perform it. So that's that about that. Right here you'll be able to perform tax. Just come here and more tax keep getting updated on a daily basis, so you won't run out of tax. So as you can see, you just have to perform more and you earn more. But here is the biggest exciting part, this offer war session. Just come right here and click on offer war. As you can see, this particular platform have partnered with companies like time war. We have bitcotax.com, excentive, offers for, and this platform they've partnered with have a whole lot of tax. So if you are performing tax on this platform, it will automatically get reflected on your GPTO account and you can process this and withdraw. So let me just show you how to go about time war. Just click on go to offer. Immediately you click on that and you'll see something right here. Welcome to time war. Micro tax, click and survey. There are a whole lot of tax you could do on my time war. Let me just click on get started. If you are new on time war, just click on get started and you'll be directed to create an account. I already have an account on time war before. I'll just go ahead and log in. So once you log in or sign up on time war, you'll be able to perform tax on time war directly from this particular platform, and then you can convert your point on time war and it will reflect on your account right here. So let's say for instance I want to perform tax on time war. Just click on tax and allow it to load. There are no surveys available, but tax will be available and there will also be offers available. So let me just click on tax and allow that to load. And as you can see right now, for instance, look at this tax. Allow push notification for gifts. Click on the button. It will take you 2 minutes to perform the tax and you get 70 points. Look at this particular tax again. Website visit, engage. You just have to visit their website, engage with a banner, that is, click on a button, search for something, and then you can leave the website. You get paid 112 coins. And right here, this is another tax. LinkedIn page follow. Just follow a page on LinkedIn, you get paid 70 and a whole lot more. So all you need to do is come right here on this platform, submit tax, perform tax, and it will reflect here. Let me quickly perform one of the tax. So let me perform this LinkedIn page follow. As you can see right here, please always read the instruction. The instruction is visit the LinkedIn page through the link below and then share username and following screenshots. You must have some connection and profile picture. Share your username and following history. Okay, so let me just click on start campaign. That is, I want to perform this tax. First is that I'll need to go to this particular LinkedIn page and I'll follow the account and then I'll make a screenshot showing that I actually followed it. So text proof, let me just click on that and let's allow it to load. I'll quickly perform this tax to show you that this thing. Okay, so this is the page I am asked to follow, and since I've already followed it now, I'll just screenshot that so that I'll be able to use it as proof. And once I'm done, I'll go back to the particular platform. So let's wait. I'm not going to LinkedIn. Okay. Alright, so as you can see right here, the advertiser required both text input and a screenshot upload as a proof of your completion. So share username, my LinkedIn username, I'll just input that. This is my LinkedIn username, and then I'll upload the image showing that I have actually done the job. So let me upload the screenshot proof and then we are done. So let me just click on submit for approval, and then you have to wait for the advertiser to approve your proof has successfully been submitted and my pending points has increased. So let's wait for that to load. As you can see right here on this time one now, it has loaded and I have 70 points pending. So all you need to do is perform more tax. The greater the number of tax you perform, the more your points. And then once the advertiser are approving your points, it will move from pending to approve, and immediately they are approved, you can then convert it to naira. As you can see right here, you can convert it to naira. Once you convert it to naira, you'll be able to withdraw it. It will show. Once you convert to naira, it will show on this your platform here, which is gpt.o. So that's that about time war. And like I said earlier, there are other offer war, which we have time war, we have bitcointax.com, extensive offers for, and can you see that you will never run out of tax to perform. So that's one interesting thing about this particular platform. So for it to accumulate so much, you just have to perform more tax and you'll be able to withdraw much from it. So that's it, and you can further explore, but let me quickly show you how to go about withdrawing from this particular platform. First is you need to bind your bank account. You need to bind your bank account so that you'll be able to withdraw in naira straight up. As you can see, no fees on withdrawal less than 9,000, that's less than 10,000 naira. Absolutely. And you can withdraw as either bank transfer or as airtime. Let's say for instance I want to withdraw via bank transfer, and then you just click on withdraw. That's how to go about withdrawing from this particular platform. But you need to first add your bank account to be able to withdraw. So all you need to do is come right here on this, scroll down to this part. From when you click on that toggle button at the top left corner, and scroll down to profile where we have profile. Once you click on profile, you'll see withdrawal details, bank name. As you can see, PalmPay is excluded, so don't input PalmPay. Use real accounts, use bank account like normal bank account, this one that we know, First Bank, Zenith Bank, stuffs like that. So input your account number, your phone number, and then I agree the phone number and account details are correct. Then click on update, and that's it, guys. You'll be able to make money from this. Perform tax, perform offers, and daily tax as well. Then you will surely be able to earn. For instance, now tax are updated daily. Look at this offer, earn 3,000 naira. So you just have to explore this platform, stick with one particular offer or maybe tax, and then accumulate so much money. Your output will be determined by your input, and you can easily make even up to 5,000 naira on this particular platform. And the interesting thing is that you get paid directly to your bank account. So I hope you find this particular video helpful up to this point. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Ibrahim Sadiq. If you are seeing my face for the first time, you are welcome. And on this channel, all I do is I find out online opportunities that could make you money, and I test them out. Or maybe when my friends or any of my community member test out an online update that could make us money, then I come here to share it with you guys. So if that sounds like something interesting to you, then ensure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be among the first set of people that will get to see my video anytime I drop a new video. So if you actually find it helpful, please go ahead and smash the like button, give this video a thumbs up, and I will appreciate that. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, and if your loved ones who you feel they will actually find it helpful as well. That will be all for this video. Subscribe.